Welcome to the video tutorial for the Webkul Multivendor Marketplace App for Shopify. Today, we'll guide you through the dual sync feature and show how product updates on Shopify, such as title, description, or price, sync automatically to the Multivendor Marketplace app in real time. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Let's understand how to enable the dual sync feature. First, log into your Multivendor admin panel, navigate to Product Configuration, and search for Dual Sync. Enable the Dual Sync product feature and click Save Changes. After that, go to the Product section and open the Dual Sync product settings. Choose the product fields you want to sync automatically, such as title, price, product tag, type, or product description, and then click on Save Changes. That's it. You've successfully configured Dual Sync. Now, let's see it in action. Go to your Shopify store and edit a product. For example, update the product name in your Shopify store and save it. Wait for a moment while the backend queue processes the update. Once completed, the changes will automatically appear in your Multivendor Marketplace app. As you can see, the product name has been successfully updated here. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.